guess what? It's barbecue time. And tonight we're making beer can chicken, or beer butt chicken as we call it in our house. So we are gonna start with making some spice. We're gonna take some of our homegrown rosemary and, so this is thyme, and rosemary and some sea salt and some pepper, and we're gonna mix it all up in a bowl and turn it into a rub, and we're gonna rub the chicken. Watch me work. Oh, Pampered Chef knife, love these. Gotta get one of those. I'm gonna start by chopping up the thyme, and I need 2 tablespoons of thyme. I need, oh, that smells so good. I need to cut up 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme. We need 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper. And then we're going to put a little bit of rosemary in there. We're going to rub it down with virgin oil, olive oil, and then get it on the barbecue. Okay, what I got here is 2 tablespoons of thyme. I've got 1 tablespoon of salt, and I've got 1 tablespoon of pepper. Gonna mix it all up and turn that into a dry rub, which we are going to put over some olive oil right now on our chicken. Grab the chicken, and alrighty, here comes the magic part. We take a can of beer that we don't really care that much about, and we only need about half of that, otherwise it will boil all over the place. Yeah, take about half of that out. Nifty trick, gonna throw some rosemary right inside the beer. Trust me, it's awesome. There we go. Right, now take Mr. Chicken, and he is gonna sit right on top of that. Like that. All right, there we go. Awesome. Now it should bubble up under there as it's cooking, and humidify that, moisturize it, and make it delish. Now we need to get the olive oil on it and the rub. Wash my hands like 20 times in between this process, but we'll do this so that I don't have to worry about touching stuff again. Take about 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil and rub it down a little bit all over. It's got some good stuff to stick to. Yeah, everywhere. All right, now that we got olive oil everywhere, a little bit everywhere, you need to cover it then in the rub. And we'll stick, and then stick it in the barbecue, standing up like this for about 90 minutes, 350-ish. All right, and rubbing on. There we go. Check this out. Just rub it all right in there. Rub it in and let it stick everywhere. See here, we're using a Pampered Chef stone pan. They are awesome in the oven and on the barbecue. If you want one, I can hook you up. All right, get this stuff everywhere. Make sure you get inside all the nooks and crannies. That much rub should be enough for 4-pound chicken-ish, 1.7-ish kgs. And we'll dress this girl up real nice so that she will be very, very tasty. Rub it all in really good. Here's the trick. The messier your hands are, the better job you did. All right, and there we go. She is ready to go. All right, go wash my hands for the 20th time now, and I'll put it on the barbecue. Alrighty, back. This puppy's ready to go on. Right in the middle of the barbecue. Oh, and I meant to take that off. Make sure you take the center rail of your barbecue off before you do this, because it's a mess afterwards, but now that's what I'm gonna have to do. And then I'll put it on here and I'll leave it on here for 90 minutes on 350, and it will be delicious. Alrighty, there's about 15 minutes left to go. And that is looking tasty. Gonna go get my thermometer and test it. Alrighty, using my handy dandy PC thermometer temperature checker thingy. Put that into the, ooh, look at that. It used to be 165. I'm thinking we're there. Looks pretty good. Okay, last thing before we're done. Throwing some corn on the barbecue too. Yum. Made up this tasty melted butter and cumin and chili powder and salt and pepper. Delicious brush. And barbecuing these for about 10 minutes. And they will be so tasty.